People think sourdough bread is like trendy and like the latest thing. White bread is trendy and the latest thing. Sourdough bread is what we've been eating since the first mixture of flour and water. Although I'm talking about bread, what I'm essentially talking about is fermentation. Now, wheat was the grain of Westerners, or actually Middle Easterners, the Fertile Crescent. But if we go to India, for example, to the Indus civilization, which was arguably as old, if not older, than anything in the Fertile Crescent, what we'll find there is fermentation, yes, but it's fermentation of rice. So when I was living in India, I discovered Indian sourdough, which was coming from the south of India, and it's called idli. Now, idli are small cakes of fermented rice and a legume of some kind, usually urad dal, black gram, but it can be chickpeas, chana, it can be mung beans, mung dal. But this is intriguing too, because very early on we discovered that if you ate rice, you also needed to eat beans. You couldn't just eat rice, you would not survive. But if you added beans in, they provided the extra amino acids to produce the complete protein, which we see in wheat. But in India, it was these evolved, and it was the fermentation process. Idli are steamed in a great big beautiful steamer, and you get these little white light cakes of fermented rice. If we go further north to Gujarat, we'll find that chickpeas are fermented there. And interestingly, if we go even further north to the Mediterranean, we'll find that chickpeas are being fermented there. So fermentation was the technique developed for increasing nutrition, increasing digestibility, and eating what you had. And it was chickpeas in those days, wheat and rice, and whatever vegetables could be sourced and were being grown. But essentially, in those times, early human times, I say again, we were the grass seed eaters because we're eating wheat, a grass seed, or rice, a grass seed, or buckwheat, a grass seed, or barley, a grass seed. It was all grass seeds, and these are the things that we could store and would get us through the lean times. So this became the absolutely bottom line of human nutrition and human culture. Now, I mean, those two words even seem interchangeable, that we were culturing wheat and culturing society seems simplistic, but actually culture came from culture.